Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do a different kind of video, and as you see in the title, we're going to talk all about my hair. And I know the first thing that you guys are going to say is, didn't you just get keratin done? And yes, I did get keratin done, and it is the biggest regret I have in my whole entire life. After I did it, I was so good, I was so happy, like the couple of months, and then I was looking at pictures of me when I had curly hair and everything, and I just started getting like, what did I do? Like, it's literally crazy how much I regretted it. And my friend Veronica actually fully like made me realize how much I wanted my curly hair back. And it's very easy to go ahead and go to a salon and do keratin treatment. It's very easy to go do it, but it's hard to take it out, which is completely crazy. And now I'm like suffering the consequences because now I have to do things that are not good for your hair to take the keratin out. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys what I do to take my keratin out. And this is not a video for somebody that just has color damaged hair or heat damaged hair and wants to get their curls back. This is for somebody that did keratin and regretted it and is doing the most impossible to get it back. So if you want to know more about how I'm doing that, then please keep on watching and don't forget to join the Pineapple Squad. So we're going to get into the tutorial now, and don't forget to subscribe. Alright guys, so this is my hair, how it looks, and I just washed it and I just put my products in my hair. And I really wanted to show you guys how my hair looks wet, so you could like understand everything I'm going through. And it does look better when it's dry. My curls look better when it's dried, but I still have so much keratin in my hair. Like from here, pretty much from here down, it's all keratin. Like all these, I don't know if you can see, I'm gonna zoom you guys in, but I have all these beautiful curls right here and like over here, which look so nice, and I wish that my whole hair was like that again. Alright guys, so you guys are really zoomed in my face, and I just want to show you how my hair is, the texture, because I am going to do like a update every month just to see how my hair is doing. And as you can see, my curls are like coming back on this side. Like you can see, like it has like straight right here, and then it's like completely curly in here, and then when we go here, it's also curly. See, it's like the curls are finally coming down, like they're coming up. I don't know if you can see that, but then like right here as well, the curls are like coming back. And then if you go like this here, like the curls are all in the back. And I really want my hair to look like this again. Like, oh, I could not believe like I did keratin. Like, that's crazy. And like the back is like curling again, as you can see right here. So yeah, I've been like braiding my hair so everything could be pretty much even. I've been using the curling rods. I've been using like other things because I don't like going out like this, to be honest. I like having everything the same. And I am going to chop my hair. I'm going to try to chop the front a little bit, like chop it like until here. I don't know when I'm going to do that, but that is my plan. But all the keratin is like right here, like all in my ends. Like I'm finally getting some curls in my ends. Like my curls are coming back in my ends, which took like a lot of work, to be honest. But now I'm going to tell you the products that I've been using. And some people are going to find these products super like, I can't believe you're doing that, but this is just what works for me. And I'm trying to get the keratin out of my hair. That means that I have to put my hair through a lot of pressure and like a lot of bad products. But first I want to start with shampoo. So this is what I do pretty much. I hope you guys don't, understand what I'm trying to say. So 5 days out of a 7-week period of the week, I wash my hair with these two products right here. And these are the Ren-Pure Originals Biotin and Collagen Thickening Conditioner and Shampoo. And they look like this. These are the two that I use for my hair because they don't have any bad chemicals and they don't have any sulfate. Sulfate is like the salt and everything, like the sodium and everything like that. I'm still trying to learn more about hair and everything, so be free to correct me down below. But I use these two because they leave your hair so smooth, so shiny. It hydrates your hair. It prevents your hair from like falling and everything. So I really do like these, and I feel like my hair feels so good after I wash it with these two. I really do like it, and these don't have any bad chemicals or no like salt or anything, so this is very good for your hair, and it's good for natural hair as well. So I put those in my hair 5 days out of the week, and then the 6th day I go in with this right here, and this is the Thick and Full Biotin and Collagen Shampoo by, what is it, OGX, Beauty Pure and Simple. I'm sure you guys seen this one everywhere. So I've been using this one on my 6th day of when I wash my hair, and pretty much what I do is that I put this one with some salt. Yes, some salt. I combine it with some sea salt, coarse crystal salt, sea salt, and do not use the regular salt what you cook with, or like the regular salt. Like, that's not the way you're supposed to be using. You're supposed to be using one that's coarse, because you don't want to like scratch your scalp and like scratch your hair, because that will be really bad. But what I do is that I put some of this salt in here with my shampoo. I mix it all up, and pretty much what this shampoo and the salt does, well, okay, so this shampoo does it already. It takes away the keratin, because it has sulfate, like it does have salt, so salt takes the keratin away. That's what I've been learning throughout this whole experience. And when I did my keratin, the woman in the salon said do not use any shampoo with salt because it takes the keratin away. So obviously you're going to use one with salt because we really want to take it away now. So this one I've been using because it's good to take your keratin away, and I actually just went the next step and I added the salt, because I really want to take the salt out of my hair, and that's why I only do it once a week, because it's really strong. Like, your hair will be dry, like completely dry, which is crazy, but this has been working so well, and I'm like shocked that it's working. I know there's other brands that come out with this type of shampoo. You don't have to do this. Some shampoos already come with this, but those are a little pricey, so I'd rather just pay $5 for this, $3 for this, and do it myself. But that helps to take the keratin off your hair so good. And trust me, I did my research, and this actually works, and my ends have never looked so good. Like, my ends were pure straight, and I feel like the curls are coming back, so I'm really happy about that. And then the 7th day, this is what I do. I pretty much go in with this shampoo, and this is the Tresemme Deep Cleanse Hair Prone to Build Up Shampoo, and I do this on the 7th day because I use so many products for my hair now, because I always have it curly now. Like, I haven't strained it for 2 months, so this is how my hair has been looking for 2 months. And I know some people might be like, oh, but I don't see any curls or nothing. But when it dries, like, guys, I'm gonna zoom you in. I'm gonna show you all these curls down here, and like the curls here and everything, like over here. Like, it's incredible how fast the curls are coming back. And I've been using this one because this is a deep cleanse, and you put so many products in your hair that your hair just gets like clogged with so many products that you use. And I've been using this one because it leaves my hair like, oh, this smells so good. Like, what does this smell like? I feel like it smells like, oh, I don't know what it is. Hold on, let me smell it. It smells so good. It smells like fruit. It's a fruit, but I just can't think of the fruit right now. But this is literally amazing. When I use this, no joke, not even joking with you guys, my hair feels so clean. I feel like this literally just one wash takes all that away, and it really has been helping also with my keratin. So I really recommend this one. This will help you take your keratin away. And yeah, I really do like this one a lot. Is this right here. This is the BRIOGEO Don't Repair Hair Deep Conditioning Mask. If you are transitioning from straight to curly hair again to your natural hair, you need to deep condition. Like, it's so important to deep condition. Like, I've learned this. Like, my sisters have salons, and they deep condition like once a week. Like, they 2 to 3 times a week they deep condition their hair. And at the salon, they offer deep conditioners to like all their clients, because it is so important to deep condition your hair, not only if you have it curly, but if you have it straight as well. So this is one I've been using because I'm repairing my hair. So this one from BRIOGEO, it's so good. Like, this one's really good, and I'm gonna leave it all information down below so you guys can purchase it. And something else that it's like you need in your life if you're transitioning to curly hair is this little spritzer thingy right here. And this one I got it for $1.49 at Bed Bath & Beyond, and they have one everywhere pretty much. Like, you could buy it at like Dollar Tree, to be honest. And this is just like a little spritzer with water. Like, in the morning my hair would just be like a hot mess, and instead of going in with more product, I just like spray it, and then I just go like this, and then all the product that I already have in my hair will like come back. And yeah, I just like spray the ends if I need to like give it more volume or everything. Like, you don't want to go and like wet your hair, your whole hair in the sink. You could just spray your hair with this. So I recommend you to have like 3 of these in your house, because they're gonna come in handy like crazy. And alright, so I also have this product right here, and this is from Biolage, and I got this on my influencer box a couple of months ago. And this is the Frizz Control Styling Spray with lavender, and it smells really, really good. And this just pretty much helps my hair not be frizzy like at the top. After I'm done styling it, I just go like this at the top, a little bit at the bottom at the end, and just crunch it a little, and then that's pretty much what I do. And that really has been helping for my hair not to look like really frizzy. And the other 2 products I'm going to mention, 2 things that I've been putting on my hair to style it, and they are both from SheaMoisture. I love SheaMoisture. Like, I've always liked it. Like, a couple of years ago when I I tried to go curly and it didn't work. A couple of years ago I started using like SheaMoisture, and I was like, I fell in love with SheaMoisture. And now because I started my hair journey again, I was like, I have to go with SheaMoisture because it's so good. But this is right here, Curl Enhancing Smoothie by SheaMoisture. And then also I've been using this one, and this is the Coconut and Hibiscus Curl and Styling Milk. So I'll be using these 2 right after I hop out of the shower when I wash my hair. And it's literally so good. It doesn't make my hair feel like heavy at all. It just really helps my hair, and I feel like my hair has gotten really, really long since I started using these products. I feel like my hair is just getting so much nutrients, and I'm washing it more, and I'm putting good products. And yeah, like, I don't ask me why I want curly hair now. It's just, I feel like I changed. I don't know, like, literally it was like I woke up one day and I was like, oh my god, like, I want my curls back. So then I'm trying to do this, and it's so hard, but I know it's gonna be worth it. And I have been talking so much, I'm just gonna drink water. And these are the products that I've been using for my hair. And let me know down below if you guys want me to like give you videos and how I style my hair. I don't wear my hair like this out, pretty much. I don't, not at all. Like 90% of the time I have my hair like in really nice bouncy curls. I use the curling rods. I braid my hair at night, so then I wake up, it looks like nice and bouncy. I do hairstyles, like that's what I have to do now, because in the meanwhile my curls start coming back, I have to just play with like different hairstyles and see what works for me. But yeah, if you guys want a video about how I style my hair, or what other products do I use, or how I wash my hair or anything, please let me know down below, and I will film it for you guys, definitely. And yeah, this is how my hair looks in 2 months of, you know, not using heat like whatsoever. I'm so happy that my ends are coming back. Like, you guys believe my ends are like curling? Like, I'm so happy. And I'm gonna insert pictures throughout the video showing you guys how my hair was before and how my curls were before, which is crazy. I cannot believe that they're gone, but they're coming back. Like, I can see them coming back. Like, look at this curl right here. It looks so nice. You guys can't even see it, but I'll zoom in. But yeah, this is the video that I had for you guys. I'm trying to think if I forgot something. So yeah, this is the tutorial that I have for you guys. I have a lot of video ideas for you guys in the future. I have some hairstyles. I have other stuff to show you guys. And remember, this video is not for someone that doesn't have keratin. This is a video for somebody that has keratin treated hair. And all these products are going to work for you. And if these products don't work for you, then come back to this video and tell me, Marilenny, why didn't they work for you? Nah, I'm just kidding. Every hair is different. I'm not, just because it works for me doesn't mean it's going to work for you. But I hope it works for you, and I hope you want to challenge yourself to have natural hair again, because I love it. Like, curly hair and straight hair are both like really hard, but I just feel like curly hair is so beautiful. Like, I don't understand why people say that it's ugly. Like, it's not ugly. Like, if you have nice curly hair, it's not ugly. But yeah, this is the video that I had for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and leave me down below any questions that you have. I'll leave all these products down below for you. And yes, that is it. I will see you guys very soon in my next video. I love you guys. God bless you. And yeah, bye guys.